Friends, you won't believe it. Our battery has swollen.
It smells awful.
Yes, it stinks like a carcass. Then in the shop.
Yes, friends, I am El Professor from the RC Kitchen. Today, we are together again with a very crazy video, friends. In today's video, we always used to do it, but this time we won't. We will destroy, we will break, friends. Yes, what will we do? We will test this HPI Savage XS Flux brushless motor small monster to the last drop in the field and push this car to its limits. Let's see if this car can withstand El Professor, friends. Now, it's time to break down the Savage X sound, friends. Will it hold up to the last drop for us? I mean for me. Now it's kitchen time, friends. We're going to tear our little monster apart on the field, friends. We're testing.
El profesör, carnage dolu motor. Sesin çılgın bir profesör. Her şeyi denilen yapar bozar. Motor açar sonra toplar.
Yes, friends, look at the course of this monster.
Oh! Yes, friends, right now our car is still intact, quite healthy. Nice. It's slippery on the ground, of course.
Yes, friends, let's see if it will lift. It didn't lift.
Whoops.
Patlatın çatlasın patın lastik geri yakar. El profesör, garajın kanlı. Motorlar bağlı, lastikler yanar. El profesör, el profesör. Galaksın kralı, motorların profesörü. Yapar boşlar, denen tekrar. Lastikleri yanar. Motorlar bombar, patlatır, çatlatır. Sıplatır, herifsiz canavarları piste fırlatır. El profesör, garaja sahnede, motosiklet yankı yaparlar yerde. Tezgah dolu aletini var, binalar rol.
Ooh. Yes, great. It's all recorded. Friends, right now we are using this car with 2S batteries, so we are using it with a 7.4 volt battery. Soon we will test this beast at 11.1 volts. That is, we will test it with a 3S battery. Let's see if this vehicle is like this with this battery. What will happen with 3S? But before that, let's drain the battery a bit more. Oh no, wonderful! Who put that buoy there?
It's a crazy car, really like a sack of potatoes. No matter how much you pile on it, it doesn't budge.
Oh, these are great moves. Yes, friends. Now, after testing the car a bit with 2S, what are we doing now? We are moving to 3S, which means 11.1 volt Lipo battery. Friends, let's see what will happen now.
By the way, friends, if I can't manage to break this car, which we don't have such a chance, I will give it to Bekir. He will break it. Isn't it, Bekir?
Yes, I would smash this to pieces because an RC vehicle is not given to someone who doesn't know. And since I am someone who doesn't know, yes, smashing an RC vehicle is, of course, the job of someone who doesn't know. Someone who knows wouldn't smash the car.
Of course, I used it politely.
Now, friends, we have finished the battery with 2S Lipo batteries, more precisely. I mean, we used it quite a bit. As we can see, the vehicle is solid. Right now, there are no breaks or damages. I mean, at least it's moving when we look at it. Of course, you might say, treat the car nicely or something, but this car is not for normal use. This car is a wild car. Friends, what are we going to do with this car now? We will push its limits with a 3S Lipo battery, which is 11.1 volts. In fact, to really push the car to its limits. By the way, the viewers are also waiting for us. The seagulls you see over there, they are waiting for us, but there's nothing we can do now, friends.
Shall we scatter the seagulls? I don't know. Will the seagulls scatter us?
Even an ambulance is already here. Yeah, see, ready for what might happen to the car. As you can see, there's a far more. They have also received the news. Now, friends, it's time to test the HPI Savage XS Flux with 3S Lipo batteries in the RC kitchen. This little monster with a brushless motor. In other words, it's time to push it to its limits.
Oh, even the takeoff was different.
Woo! Yes, it hasn't broken. It's still going on, friends. Yes, it shattered the buoy, but nothing happened to the car. Yes, as you can see, it doesn't affect me at all, friends. What kind of device is this? Oh no.
Yes.
Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us for more videos like this. We are doing crazy experiments with El Professor.
The car seems a bit sweaty, I guess.
Then let's give it a bath.
What will we do? Then we will cool the car, friends.
Cooling RC car. Only back here. The water here smells a bit bad, huh?
Dirty water.
This water smells a bit disgusting. I would never touch it.
I won't drive either.
A car going on water. Is it water or mud? Down in there.
Yes, friends, right now the car's...
Let's get a close-up.
It smells awful.
Yes, it smells awful. We need to wash it at the shop then. Yes, we haven't dismantled our car yet. If you want, Bekir, you can continue dismantling it. Go ahead. Come on, Bekir. Dismantle it.
Model car seeing innocent villager back here.
Yes, how does an innocent villager who sees a model car drive it? They would press like this, but I won't do that. Today we will proceed according to El Professor's rules. There is a lot because we need to learn this first.
Come on, son, step on the gas.
Let's see what my assistant Bekir will do.
Assistant Bekir wrecked the car, friends.
Baker, drive slowly. You will break the car.
Yes, friends, the tires are like pizza. Not yet. I swear it's over. What did I do? It ended so quickly. It all happened in the water here. The electricity got into the water, friends.
Yes, friends, it's in the mud. Disgusting.
Mud.
Ew.
Covered in filth.
It was covered in poop. Oosh.
Oh no!
Yes, friends. Here. As we can see, it really smells bad right now. We used a little bit of it, let's not say muddy, but the water was a bit dirty, probably sewage water. It was a bad experience. Come here, sorry, let's not treat the car that badly. As you can see, friends, our cap. Today we couldn't manage to break the car. I mean, I tried a bit, Bakir tried a bit, but it didn't work, guys. Let's see. Hopefully in our next video, we will try to dismantle this car. By the way, it really held up well. It's quite a sturdy vehicle, by the way. Look, it has quite a lot. Very nice. Let's see the cap. We see the cap, friends. Here you go. Actually, we can't see it because the cap has disappeared. The cap is gone. Yes, the car is like that too. Baker, we will wash this in the kitchen, you know.
Oh no.
Yes.
We have a big problem in the kitchen.
With pressurized water.
Then it's dishwashing time.
Yes. Friends, you won't believe it. Our battery has swollen and right now our battery is burning, friends.
Yes, friends, our battery has swollen.
Friends, the video really started to get crazy because we're experiencing things that El Professor didn't account for. The battery exploded in half and the inside is literally burning like fire. HPI is gone, I mean. There's no such thing anyway. Look, the remote broke, 1, the battery broke, 2, the bucket sank, the car got wrecked. Now with the 2S battery, we'll probably burn the tires and nothing will be left of the car.
Yes, I'm pressing the gas.
No reaction. No reaction. Yes, friends, the cars. Let me see its condition.
I guess we've really worn out the car.
Yes, friends. By the way, do you know what happened? The cars, most likely the ESC might have burned out as well. There's no sound in the SH, so what did we actually do with our vehicle today? We used it nicely and wildly. Maybe we couldn't mechanically break our vehicle after using it.
We really wanted it. In fact, everything is solid right now, but we burned the electronics.
I mean, this is a nice event. Of course, here our battery, our 3S Lipo battery, got swollen, something happened and so on, but there's nothing to be done. Yes, friends, now we have come to the end of another video. And in today's video, we had some action, we had some fun. We really got some nice footage there. Yeah, didn't we back here? I mean, it was quite something to see it lift the front while speeding up. We did some pretty wild tests, and although we found our vehicle mechanically sound, unfortunately, we saw that there was a problem with the electronic system. Of course, we will look at that in our next video. We will also examine this car, put it on the table. What have we done? What have we not done? And so on. Moreover, we will even make this vehicle shine again, friends. I mean, we don't just take the car, wear it out and throw it away. What do? We will take this vehicle and bring it back to life. Even an uncle passing by said, hey Kev, he said, why don't you use it properly? Is it foreign property? I said, well, the man is right. Is it foreign property? True. We also used it like foreign property, friends. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of another video. If you liked our video and want more crazy videos, content like this, don't forget to like it. If you have any questions, be sure to write them in the comments and follow our channel. Keep your notifications on, friends. By the way, maybe some of our friends are aware, HPI Kitchen is now global as well. So we have expanded abroad, and Our dubbed videos have also started to be published, so please like those videos as well. You can even listen to them in different languages. Friends, I love you all very much. Take good care of yourselves. May your model never break, friends.